December is approaching really fast, and it's about time we start checking on our pilau skills. If you've been here long enough, you probably know that we love cooking pilau because it's a very stress-free meal. You only need a few ingredients, and from this corner, I have some rice, I have some cooking oil, I have my beef. You can also use any other meat that you prefer. I have some salt. I also have an onion, some pilau masala, some ginger, and some garlic. So for the tomatoes, you can decide to add them, but I like mine without, so we are not going to be adding some tomatoes in this particular recipe. And to make good pilau, you only need these ingredients. You do not need to add any other ingredient. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start off by boiling my beef. This is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be working on my other veggies, and I'll see you once my beef is ready. About 20 minutes later, my beef is well done. So I'll set this aside and let's get started. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to wait for this to become hot. Then I can go in with my onions. Now that my oil is nice and hot, I'll go in with my onions, and I'm going to cook them till they turn golden brown. That may take from 7 to 15 minutes. So I'll keep turning them gradually so that they do not burn, and I'll see once my onions are almost ready. This is about 5 minutes later. You can see they've already started turning color, and I'm going to give them about 2 more minutes. Then I think they should be ready by then. So at this point, you can see that my onions are just how I like them. And it's at this point I'll go in with my ginger, so this is the perfect color. This is the golden brown, not anything darker than this. Once you burn your onions, your pilau is going to be very bitter, but once you have them golden brown, it's going to have a very nice taste. Then after about a minute, and that is fragrant, I'll go in with my garlic as well. So also this golden color is the one that is going to give our pilau that brown color. And once my ginger and garlic are both fragrant, I'll go in with my beef, and I'm just going to add it together with its stock because it's not a lot. And you can already see our broth is starting to have a color. So the longer it simmers, the deeper our color is going to be. So I'm just going to cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll be back to add in my rice and my other spices. So before I can add in my rice, I'll go in with my pilau masala. And you can already see the beautiful color that we have. I'll add some water to deglaze the bottom. And just look at this goodness. Then at this point, I'll go in with my rice, and I've already washed and drained my rice. I'll mix this in. And you can already see the beautiful color. Then it's at this point that I'll go in with my salt. And one tip that I always give and I'll always repeat, please make sure you measure your rice and your water ndipo mchele iwe poa na itokane moja moja. So once I'm certain that everything is well combined, I'll go in with my water. So I used one huge glass of rice. I'm going to use 2 of them for the water. Then I'll go in with my second glass. Hot or cold water just works as good as the other. And voila, it was that simple. So you can already see our water is brown in color because of the onions that we browned. And I'm going to cover this and I'll see once my rice is ready. So I've already tasted, and as we wait for my stew to get ready, hey, nanyongo na mate. Let's give this a taste. Wow. Wow. As you've seen, this is such an easy recipe, so keep practicing for Christmas and you're going to be perfect. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.